Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm Akila. In this video, let us see how to write all selected function in Power BI. I have loaded the data from AdventureWorks and I'm working with fact internet sales, dim product category and dim product tables. Make sure these three tables are connected in the model before we write measure. Okay, in this table, the data, the total sales is dividing or filtering based on the product category from dim product category table. So I want to calculate the total sales for all selected product categories. Here we have a chiclet slicer. If I select bikes as well as clothing, see I am able to filter the data with two rows where this is the clothing total sales and this is bikes total sales. I want to sum up these two and get this 13,804,585 as my value. I want to calculate the total sales for selected product category. So let me add a measure. Total sales for all selected equals, I'm writing a calculate function to calculate the total sales from the fact internet sales table. And we know that order quantity into product sales, order quantity into total sales will give us the total sales of the report. Fact internet sales amount. Yeah. And now here, this calculate function expression has been done. Now I have to write the filter. I'm writing all selected and I'm specific to a column, right? Product category column. So it is in the dim product category table. This one, English product category name. Enter. So now total sales for all selected. See? Okay, let me round up this number. So it will be easy for us to compare. See, I have selected clothing and bikes. Irrespective of selection, my total sales, ignoring the product category filter based on my previous video, it is giving the total value. And this one, all selected, it is giving this total value based on the selection. So whenever you want to ignore all the filters, then go with all function. And if you want to go with all selected filters, go with all selected. Hope this is useful. Thank you.